Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here, coming up with Nifty analysis. Actually, Nifty is ready to fill the gap and gap the fill and also ready to come to the level of 17,506, 17,552 and 17,599. So Nifty is ready to touch this level because in the market, there will be imbalances. For example, I'll be showing you imbalances, some imbalances you can concentrate. Whenever the imbalance is created, this is the imbalance. Can you see? Gaps. Gaps are created. You can see the gap is filled there. Like that, when this gap has been filled by this price action. So, even today also, price gapped up, it made a red candle and you can see it came down to hit the gap. See, you can see a wick over here. It filled the gap, it came over there and filled the gap and now it is trying to, it collected all the liquidity over here. So imbalances, the price, whenever there is imbalance, you try to locate the imbalance. Most of the time, price will come back to the liquidity. Now, there is an imbalance around this area of 17,495, 506, 558 and 599. It has not been filled. This imbalance has not been filled. There is a gap over there. Fair value gap is there. So now Nifty is ready to move into this area. Here it is easy for Nifty to cross this area because the lot of liquidity is there. Lot of liquidity means you can watch. I'll zoom it out. See, for every green candle, there is a red candle. Green, red, red, green, red, green, red. So lot of liquidity for a buyer to seller. So lot of liquidity has been created. So for the Nifty, it is no problem for it to cross this level. It is easy. It can cross this level easily. Now, let me change this to a line chart. You can see Nifty already crossed this level of liquidity. Now another level is 17,419. It may gap up also tomorrow. It may gap up and reach this level. So it is easy for Nifty to cross this level and it will go because it has already crossed this imbalance. So liquidity, that's why for analyzing the chart, you need to watch for the imbalances. Where are the imbalances? Let me go to the intraday picture. 15 minutes time frame. I'll change into candlestick pattern. So I posted on the Twitter. See, this is the gap liquidity. It has been filled over here. That's why Nifty reversed back so quickly. Can you see? If you mark the level, this liquidity, yeah, it has been, they have taken liquidity. This gap has been, there was no transaction in this area, only buyers were there. So there has been lot of, can you see? if you see the price action, seller, buyer, seller, buyer, seller, buyer, and a seller, you can see a change of behavior in this at this level. Change of behavior, it made a pullback, and when it came down, it is making a higher low, higher low, higher low. And also, if you watch minutely in this area, it made an high. You can see it made an high, engulfing just a point, it made an high. So I was able to locate this change in behavior and posted on the Twitter that market is going to reverse back. See, you can see the reversals so fast, quick, and swift. Why it is swift? Why it is swift? It is the level also. It is the support level, and also it filled the gap and then it moved up. Suppose if you see the structure of the market, see price with the gaps, it made a high, higher high, higher low. Just a second. Higher low, and he made an higher high with the gap. So this structure has been completed. It came down and made an higher low. Now, if this is a, now price is traveling around here and it is very near to the level of 17,506 to 17,552. So easily Nifty can go, and there is the potential resistance over there. Potential resistance over there. After hitting the Nifty to this level, there may be possibility of reversal. There is an unfilled void, unfilled gap is there. You can see this gap has not been filled. See, this area of 16,686 to 16,867 has not been filled. After making a double top or a higher high, there is possibility of Nifty reversing back. So it needs caution actually. On that day also I posted it is a caution, but in between it didn't hit this level, it reversed and came down, and it is making it going up like this. So if you know the price action thoroughly, you can trade in options also. So now you have to look for the 17,800 put option to 800 put option. Tomorrow at the money call option, 17,000 in the money call option, around 17,200 call option, you can look for it. Look for, if there is a flat opening, you will get around 300 points gain from the, around 300 to 250 points gain in the Nifty, you can expect. Otherwise, if it starts gapping up to the level, you will not have any trade. If it gaps up to this level, suppose if it gaps up to this level, so there again a void will be created and the Nifty will try to fill this void. It may fill on the same day, or it may go sideways and make a dozy over there. So probably you can understand why Nifty will hit the level of 17,482, 17,506 and also 17,552. These are the targets you should have in mind. I hope you understood the thing. It is clear. Thank you for watching my video. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.